Racing Jazz is started with Nash and Ryan break quickly restart. Uncle Ko is running by the rail. Oyster Perpetual comes next is Feisty Time. Then next on line is Dainty Uncle's Good Boss. Then followed now by Congregation. Domo Pistos Toscana second last, while Hook and Rules is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Half-mile distance, they traveled with Uncle Ko by about 3/4 of a length lead. Moving up now, outside is Nash and Ryan now says it's my turn to take the lead. We have Nash and Ryan. Uncle Ko, Oyster Perpetual now trying to get closer in third, and they are now entering the home stretch. Nash and Ryan. Uncle Ko, Oyster Perpetual is running by the last day swing for home. Uncle Ko, Nash and Ryan is sorry outside. Oyster Perpetual is running by the rail with about 150 meters more to run. We have Nash and Ryan. Uncle Ko is down on the inside. Oyster Perpetual last 50 meters. Nash and Ryan. Oyster Perpetual is down on the inside, and finally it's a close finish. Oyster Perpetual, Nash and Ryan, then comes Uncle Ko.